Hello, I am Pankaj Saran and I am going to continue the topic MS Excel, using MS Excel as a database. In our previous lectures, we have covered how to enter values in database using form, which are entered through the form tool, and we have learned about the method of sorting. Now, what is sorting? Sorting is arrangement of data according to desire. Here are three types of sorting. Sorting means arrangement of data in ascending or descending order. Here are three types of sorting. Number one is A to Z, number two is Z to A, and number three is custom sorting. First and second sorting works on the first field of the database. Here first field is name. So A to Z or Z to A work on only the first field, means name, and custom sort can work on any desired field of the database or table. Clear? After that, we have learned about the concept of filtering. What is the meaning of filtering? Filtering means to extract data according to the desire. Means there are all values of record, all records are there, but you have to extract all those records which satisfies your requirement. Whatever your requirements, it shows only those records which satisfy the requirement, or you can say condition. There are two types of filtering. Number one is auto filter, and number two is advanced filter. In auto filter, we can perform the multiple condition using first select the database, then we have to select filter, then a drop down box is appeared with every field. Now click on the drop down box. You have to find all values of the record, all values of the field, of the selected field. Besides that, there is a filter of there is a filter where we can apply the condition according to your need. Besides these exact value, it provides all those values which are exact values as well as the condition where you want to apply. It contains equal to, does not equal to, greater than, less than, equal to, etc. So in auto filter, by applying select all your exact value or selecting filters which are text filter or numeric filter, you can apply any of them, or exact value. Clear? We have learned all about this in last lecture. Now one more thing is visible here, that it is document recovery. In MS Office provides recovery, auto recovery of the document. MS Office means this facility is available in MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Excel, etc. of MS Office tools. This facility is available in all MS Office tools. It is auto recovery, recover document or recover workbook. It is available. What is the meaning of this? Suppose you are working on the workbook and you are not saving the document of workbook for the time, then internally whatever you have done automatically saved to a workbook, and next time when you open the workbook, it appears document recovery. Here available list, it shows the available list which are saved automatically by the system, which is known as auto recover version, and one is it shows the original one, and auto recover version. Auto recover version means it contains all those records latest record which are entered, but here it contains all those records which you have saved earlier. It contains more than the saved record. If you want, if you don't save the records for the time being, clear? So you can, if you want to this auto recovery, then click on it, or otherwise simple close, because there is no need of it, because we have worked directly on the database. Clear? Now we have to work on the database for the advanced filter. Now one question is, if filter is available, auto filter is here, then how can we remove this auto filter? Answer is, just click on the filter, it will clear the auto filter option from the available database. Now we have to perform conditional filtering or advanced filtering. For this you have to move to the data, and here one more thing is there, which is advanced. We have learned that sorting and filtering is available on home tab and data tab. Data tab also contains the sorting and filtering, and data tab contains advanced filter also. Now we have to work on the advanced filter. Suppose in advanced filter we can provide the condition at other place and use at desired location. Whereas in auto filter there is a filter of text or numeric which you have to give at that particular place. There is no concept of giving condition at other place. Here in advanced filter, here is a concept of giving condition at other place. Now how can you give? Now here it is known as, this particular database is known as list range. We have learned that in Excel, database or table is also known as list. So it is known as list range. For this, here is also a criteria range. One more thing is here, it is criteria range. What is meaning of criteria range? Criteria means condition, means if you want to condition, you have to give condition at particular cell, and there are some certain rules you have to apply. Let us see. Suppose it is our list range, and we have to give the condition at our desired. For this, for giving condition, how can you give the condition? First, if you are giving the condition using multiple fields, remember that all fields must be in same row. Field names must be in same row. So same row means, suppose there are number of fields, name, roll number, F name, Hindi, maths. So if you want to give multiple condition, then remember that at whatever the location, whatever the row, but remember every field name must be in the same row. Also always remember it. Suppose I want to give a condition on Hindi, and condition, or next thing that you have to remember, that you have to give the condition below the field name. You have to give the condition below the field name. Suppose I give the condition greater than 76. Now only one condition is here. Check one by one. Now it entire is list range, and this range H12 to H13 is known as criteria range. Let us see. Now select the database. It is known as list range advanced. List range is B1 to L7. It is clear here. Now you have to give the criteria range. Place the cursor over here and drag the range here, it will give the criteria range. Criteria range is H12 to H13. One more thing is here, it is showing that copy to. I will tell it. First I will take the action, filter the list in place, means action whatever the condition given here, it will extract, it will show only those records which satisfy the, it is condition is marks less than 76 in Hindi. It will show all those records where marks in Hindi is less than 76. Other is copy to other location, means here the database remains the same and you have to give the address from at which place where you want to the output of the filter. Now I am saying the simple differencing the filter the list in the place. Okay, here is only one record, Shyam, having marks 68, which condition is less than 60. Condition is less than 60, and only roll number 6 Shyam having the marks less than 76. So only one record is displayed. Now here one option is here, it is known as clear. What is the meaning of clear? It will clear the condition and show the entire records. Clear? Now if you want to add multiple condition, for multiple condition we have to apply the clause or logical operator which is known as AND or OR. You can apply and OR on the different field. Suppose I am giving change the condition, Hindi greater than 78 and marks in maths greater than 85. Now this type of condition is known as AND type of condition. But it shows condition is marks greater than 78 and it shows the clause AND. If field is in same row, you have to give the field name in the same row. But when condition also in same row, then it works as AND clause, means it will show all those records having marks greater than 78 and marks greater than 85. It will show all those records satisfying the condition Hindi 78 greater than 78 and maths greater than 85. Let us see. First thing, you have to select the database. Now advanced database range is here. Now you have to change criteria range, drag it here, and other is copy to other location. Click on the copy to another location, and here in this time you have to click on to copy to location and click at any other location. Suppose I click on the A16. Okay, so it will show all those records. It will be there will be no change in the database. It will show the filtered or extracted record will show on A16. Now click on OK. Only one record is here, Tina, whose marks in Hindi is greater than 78 and marks greater than 85, means none other than Tina satisfies the given condition. Clear? Next type of conjunction or is OR. What is the meaning of OR? This condition in AND condition, both condition must be true. Means student have to mark greater than 78 and marks in maths also in greater than 85. And what is the meaning of or? Means any one condition is true, it will show the true value. Means either Hindi greater than 78 or maths greater than 85. So for how to differentiate this and or, one thing you have to move the one condition in next row. Now it will, this time it will work as or. When though both are at same row, it will work at and when you drag the other location, this time it will work as or. Means if marks greater than 78 or marks in math greater than 85. Now select the range. Now advance. Now change the criteria range. Now criteria range is here. Copy to. Suppose I give the copy to, and you have typed a new location. Suppose I remain there. Okay. Now this time it will show all those records having marks greater than 78, marks greater than 78. Now accidentally cursor moved to this particular position. I told that how can you move the cursor at cell pointer at particular location. Recall it, it is F5. You have to type the location. Suppose I type A1, cursor will be moved to the A1 location. Now click on the, select the criteria range, advance. You have to give the list range and other, copy to other location. You have to give the location. Okay. Now here gives 5 records. Here marks of Hindi, marks of Meena is less than, in Hindi is less than 78. Sorry, is less than 78. Even it is showing the result. Why? Suppose you have to give the marks. You have to see the marks of maths. It is 87. In or, either of condition is true, then it will show the condition, it will show the result as a true. So this or this is true and it is false, but one condition is true, then it will be displayed. Here this condition is false. In condition in Hindi, condition is greater than 78, here equal to 78, so condition is false, but it is here because condition of second condition maths greater than 85, here maths is 89, because of that it is displayed here. I think this concept will be clear in your mind. Now if you want to clear this option, you have to clear, select the range and clear. What is the purpose of this clear? It will clear the condition. It will applicable when condition is applied on that particular location in the place. Clear? So we have learned filtering, auto filter and advanced filter and sorting technique. Next time we will learn about the concept of subtotal and data validation. Okay, thank you.